Hello, so far you have been learning about how to send a data and then refresh and then go to ThinkSpeak and you see it actually. So this program you're going to adjust live data and you're checking the live data in ThinkSpeak via an ADC program. So most of this we already learned so far. I'm going to be really quick and brush you through. So the thing that we introduced in this program is just ADC init, and you're going to write a program to send through ADC. So that's the difference. So for the ADC init we already covered in the session ADC. So it's the same program. I just copied and pasted here, and then you got to send the ADC read whatever value. ADC here is a port value. So I connected a port, a variable analog port. So via that the reading is measured and it's sent to the IoT ThinkSpeak cloud, and you would be able to see the data. So that's the difference. And the rest, everything is the same. Wi-Fi connection commands, Wi-Fi account, then ThinkSpeak start the data commands, then initialize ESP8266 board, then you got to change from integer to ASCII values, then the delay the same, then USART read and USART write, then you got to write the USART init, which we all covered in the previous sessions. To interface with ADC, a new baud rate is introduced, that's 115-200. So this will generate the speed to show the character out there. And then we use IO put care to see the USART value, and in the main program all you got to do is you need to call the ADC init data, and instead of giving like a data ADC 30 and data ADC 60, by adjusting the port the value will change, and you will see that in the ThinkSpeak command. So that's the only difference, and this is the main project that I said I would show to you. This is via ADC. You are monitoring the data and you're going to check that in the output. So let's go and compile the program. So I'll go, but every time you go you need to go to ThinkSpeak and generate a new API key, which this I've been playing around. So this, as you can see, so you can see the data. I will minimize my video so you won't get interrupted. So as I was saying, this I played earlier, and as you can see 11 entries. As you can see, when I change the value, you can see the changes in there. From 30 it goes to 120, and then 30, 104, 347, 30 again, and this is just to show you an alternate value change. So as you can see, the board is connected now. It's connected to the nuclear board. So now I'm going to go and generate a new API key, and we will integrate that in our program. E7, so that's changed to VR, so make sure that's changed. Copy the whole, Control-C, and go to your program, and you have to change to communicate that to here in the field one. Yeah, paste it. You have to just paste there and save, build the project, and you can check the new data in the cloud. So it's building 31%, as you can see, and watch carefully with the ESP8266. There will be a blue light flash very shortly, and that will show that the data has been received, and it's going to communicate to the cloud. So which I'm going to do it now. So I'm just running debug. As you can see, it's connected 4%, so it's doing its debug, and it's 51%. So once it's received its data, you will see a blue light flash on the ESP8266 module. Yeah, it's asking to switch, which I will click to switch. So in any minute you will see the blue light flash. So I'll just run the code here. So the code is running. I will minimize this and go to ThinkSpeak private view, and as you can see, the blue light just blinked, is blinking now, so it's transmitting data to Wi-Fi. So I'm just refreshing to get a new value. So we got 11 entries so far. The last refresh was in 16 minutes, so I'll change a different value. I'm just adjusting the port. See, yeah, I'm adjusting the port value now. Okay, I just adjusted the port. I'll go and refresh. Sometimes it takes a bit longer to show the data variation, but you will see the data variation here. So it's still loading. The last entry was 17 minutes ago. So when it comes to watching the output, the key is patience. Sometimes it takes longer than we actually assume that's going to happen. Sometimes it's instantaneous. Sometimes, yeah, you will see the data, but it does work. So that's why you see all this different variation in the graph there with different values. I'll just hold on and do another refresh. You got to be more patient, and soon you will see the entries to 12, and this will change less than a minute. So that means the new data has gone through Wi-Fi network, and it's showing the data in there. So just bear with me, I'll show you the change. So keep refreshing until the new data comes along, then you will be able to see it. I'll keep refreshing until you will see a different data. Reload the page. But when I pointed here, this is 347, and if you click here, 347, and it goes to 30, and it goes to 420, etc. So the value varies accordingly. 30, and here 120. So it varies as I move the chart. 104, 347, 30, and 420. So the value keeps updating. Maybe I'll do another turn to show the variation. Just one moment. Sometimes also depends on your Wi-Fi network speed, as it has to check a lot of things before it sends to cloud with the traffic and all of that. So but it's definitely working. This I have been playing with this since 4:30, and now it's 7:40 in the night. So it keeps sending different data, so you got to wait unfortunately. But I just wanted to show you the live change when that happens, but seems to be it's taking longer. API keys, channel settings, okay, and private view 22 minutes ago. So I'll keep refreshing, and let's go and finish what we learned so far. So we got to the home page. As you can see, this is the channel we created before, and first you send the 30, and that's the channel we created on such date and the time. And this is just a model to vary different parameters like temperature, distance. And this is the first time when we change the data from 30 to 120, it's showing that. And this is where you get the key and copy this and paste there, and this is the API key requests. So what we learned so far, we learned about integrating via a ADC through a port, and then communicating to a Wi-Fi module ESP8266 via the nuclear board. as I keep saying, you got to also shape up your mind as well. So always keep trying, never ever give up until you succeed. Until you succeed, don't think about giving up. So the more you try, the keep focusing on what you're doing, you will accomplish in the end. So please stick to that and try. And also, please be involved with this mindset involvement. Write down your top 10 goals, write down your top 10 ideas to achieve the goals, and please at least spend 30 minutes to do your exercise that will refresh yourself, and do spend 15 minutes to meditate. So that will refresh your mind and your energy level. And also 10 minutes to visualize actually achieving those goals, and 10 minutes to focus on how you're going to prepare the rest of the day, and at least spend 2 hours in learning and practicing all this code. If you haven't purchased the hardware, please to purchase and start to practice. And please to post all your achievements in this Facebook group so everyone will know your progress, and that will motivate others to learn, and others to accomplish as well. And there is some combo internship coming your way, and you'll be the first person to know. We are in the Cortex M4 microcontroller programming. We have gone through beginner, intermediate, and we are in advanced. And please stay tuned with us with more internship that's going to come your way, starting with embedded C programming and PCB design, and there will be other courses your way. So this is all to shape up to build your career in embedded system design, and I'm sure with my 20 years of experience that I'm able to help you and get you into the right track so you can also enjoy the electronics engineering world. There is plenty out there, cool stuff that you can do through embedded system design. Just stick with me, I'll teach you everything. I take this moment to each and every one of you to say my sincere thank you to all of you who have gone through this major project too, to learn about data monitoring and sending your data to ThinkSpeak Cloud, and you were actually visualizing the data when you change on the part, you were seeing that. So thank you so much for going through with this project with me, and please go and enjoy that lovely break from your screen. I am Arulan Bukarasu. I'm going to sign off shortly on behalf of A2DG. I will see you in the next session. Until then, take care and see you in the next session. See you later. I'll check one more time to see if I can see the latest data. Just give me 1 sec. If not, it will work through. It comes through. So when it does, then you will find out later on. But until then, take care. I'll catch you in the next session, and take care, and see you in the next session. Bye for now.